Folks, you see this? I'm actually giving myself electric shocks. This is actually quite uncomfortable, and oh my god, this shock is actually reaching to my fingers. And yeah, first world problems. I'm trying to actually massage myself, but because I want to demonstrate that it works, I have set this up to an intensity of 3. And let me just stop this. Let's see how far it goes. It goes up to 7, 8, 9, 10. That was 3. If I were to put to 10, I don't know what that would be like. I don't dare. But anyways, let's just get on with this review. This is a review of the MOOYEE massager, and it looks like this. It's a little what they call host component, and this is the gel component. And what it does is it sends electricity into this, and these are gels that you use with defibrillators. Those are the things that you see in ER or A&E where they tell everyone to clear and to like wake up a person whose heart has stopped beating. And this is the gel that gives direct current into your skin. And that's why these things are actually so pricey. It's because these are very high quality gels that stick on to your skin and send really strong currents if it does send off a current. I mean, it transfers strong current. And this is, for those who are familiar with this is a very nice design. You can see that it's not actually you clip onto it through the mechanical force. It's actually magnetic. Well, not physical. I don't even know the right terminology, but normally it's you have to snap into it, right? But this is magnetic, so I don't have to be that accurate. What I have to do is get it right about so, and then it's stuck magnetically. It's fine. The electrodes are in contact. So it's quite easy to use. And then you see these 4 contacts, and that's because it's a very little clever device in that once you charge one and you connect this one to that, like a little sandwich, it charges both of them at the same time through this USB cable. Right now you see it's blue because it's on, and when it's charging it's red. And when you connect them together and there's nothing plugged in, it actually goes off because you're not using it. So how this works is it, rather than have a separate remote like the olden days of last year, you have an app that controls all your exercises, well, all the shock patterns. So it has a series of these set up for you, showing that here's the classic. It does kneading, press, and let's see, what does it say here? Squeeze, stroke, elbow. It's trying to mimic a masseuse and beat. And what it does is it really just sends different levels of electric pulses at different durations. So for example, press, it would send in a deep increasing electric pulse, whereas beat is just small shocks and gives you what you saw at the beginning of this video, these beats, and that's literally what it was. So when you start the program, I'm going to start the program now. It's this communicating device. It connects via Bluetooth. It's very simple. You just turn this app on. It says looking for device, and you just open this so it turns on, and then it works. So right now it's actually working. I could feel it. You don't see it because I set it at 1. If I set it to like 3, you'll definitely see it. 2, 3. It's freaking painful, actually. It's not. It's a long pulse. You saw how my muscle just twitched in there like that. Jeez. So I can't believe it actually goes to 10. Freak. Sorry, I can't even talk properly because of the electricity that's going through me. So pressing. So you see it goes to press, and you see how it starts the timer again every half hour. So it gives it's supposed to say you're supposed to last half an hour through this. You don't have to go through this pattern. You can make your own exercise if you want to, and that's through customs. And this is, you control both devices. This is the main, and then the one on my arm is the sub, and you control different types. So you select, and these are the various exercises or pulses, and you could choose the scene actions, which is basically what you saw at the beginning here. What I really wish that they show is a visual form of the pulsating, so you know what it means. I mean, right now it just says vacation. I don't know what sort of program it has, unless I actually go through the whole damn thing and then see what sort of pulses it sends to me. So it just says vacation, and that's it. And then I hit play, it does something. Right. There was a little bug there. It says it cannot find the host, but it actually still works anyways. Here's the weird, funny one. Apparently, it could give you a massage based on your emotions. So it scans your face. Look. Take a photo. It scans that face, and it determines my emotion. So it thinks I'm surprised, maybe because my mouth was open or something like that. And then I press play, and it gives me a surprise massage, a massage that's suitable for someone who's surprised. And the funny thing is, it's the emotion, the face recognition is really quite unpredictable. Let me give a sad face. What's a sad face? Here you go. See what it gives. It thinks I'm calm. I don't know how it works, but you could actually just choose the face that you want to go to. So let's go back out. And if you click on this, actually right now it's working on me. So let me just stop this. Here we go, stop it. Jeez, I still can't imagine. If you go right here, it goes straight to the, come on. Go straight to this. I wonder why my fingers are not working that well, and I wonder if it's because of the electricity that's being sent through my arms. So yeah, that's the quick emotion. You don't have to scan your face and all that. And that's it. Device here just shows you how many devices you're connected to, and the other thing gives you usage record, and it shows how many minutes I was spending on each of these things, and including this. So I'm calm a lot, according to this graph. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the review. If you're interested in buying this product, I will put a Amazon link in the description for you to buy. If you like to see more reviews on tech gadgets, just subscribe and like to support this little video project here. See you next time.